How to lock apps on Android. So if you want to lock apps on your Android, then first you need to open up your settings. Once you open your settings, now you need to scroll down and you just need to go for security. So simply tap on security option, and under security you need to scroll down, and if you scroll down here you will have an option of privacy and app encryption. Tap on that and verify with your fingerprint or your password, and here you will have an option of app hiding. So simply go for app hiding if you want to hide an app, or you can go for app encryption if you want to lock the app. So simply tap on app encryption and then tap on app lock time and choose any option that you're comfortable with, and you need to simply toggle on the button which is on the right side of the app in which you would like to add the lock. So for example, I'll be showing you with the browser. So simply toggle on the option of hide app on the application. I've chosen the browser. So once you toggle that on, now if you go and search for the browser application, here once you tap on browser, it will ask you for your fingerprint or your password. So your app has been locked. So that's how you can lock your apps on your Android, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.